These are common fertilizers and compost for home garden. Potassium sulfate helps plants produce sweeter fruits. Laverne red dragon fruit is one of the most beautiful dragon fruit plants. As the plant matures, the stem segments begin to twist. The wavy appearance of the branches makes that nice appearance. Another characteristic of this variety are two branches growing from one node. Laverne red is a self-sterile variety. There are two types of dragon fruits when it comes to pollination. One type is self-fertile like the Vietnam white, meaning it can pollinate itself and others. The other type is self-sterile. Self-sterile means it cannot pollinate itself. The successful pollination was achieved using the abundant pollen from Vietnam white, which is so generous that the pollen from just one of its flowers is sufficient for 4 other flowers. Laverne red dragon fruit has a flavor described as sweet, juicy with berry and grape notes, and a texture similar to a melon or grape. It is a large, purple-fleshed variety, named after the Laverne nursery, known for its commercial appeal and use in juices and other desserts. This Vietnam white tastes like coconut with no acidity at all. This taste was achieved with full sun and with the help of potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate can help all plants and fruit trees produce sweeter fruits. Controlled mild dehydration, exposure to full sun, and the application of potassium sulfate are all methods that can enhance fruit sweetness by increasing sugar concentration and influencing the plant's metabolism. However, the practice of mild dehydration is delicate and can harm or kill plants, so it should only be attempted by experienced growers. For a simpler and less risky approach, growers can achieve a respectable level of sweetness just by ensuring their plants receive ample sunlight and potassium sulfate.
These golden years ain't made of gold, but they're rich with naps and tales retold. With each gray hair, I've learned to cheer. For every ache, there's another beer. So pull up a rocker, lend me your ears. I've got wisdom, baby, and golden years. They're golden.
But first of all, please know that chicken poop and composted chicken manure are not the same thing. Composted chicken manure go through a composting process, and it is consisting of 2/3 grass, or sometimes they use hay. They mix it together with the chicken poop to make a composted chicken manure.
Potassium sulfate can make fruits sweeter by helping the plant more efficiently transport sugars to the fruit. I'm buying a dragon fruit at my local grocery store, the same variety as the ones in my yard. I will be doing a taste comparison. This variety is Vietnam white. It is self-fertile, it can pollinate itself and a universal pollinator to other varieties. It's good to have this variety in your yard to cross-pollinate with other varieties.
So I'm doing a taste comparison. This is from the store. Little bit of acidity, but no taste. No flavor, I mean. Very blunt. That's from my yard. It tastes like coconut. No acidity. Very good taste.
Potatoes. They said the golden years would be calm and bright. I pictured beaches, naps, and jeans that fit right. But turns out they're talking about a Medicare plan and a back that pops louder than a rock and roll band. I got meds in a box with days of the week and a nap that sneaks up mid-sentence I speak. They said relax now, life slowed down fine, but my joints sound like maracas when I cross the line. These golden years sure look like rust. Can't remember names, but I still cuss.
Good morning. In this video, I will be doing dragon fruit maintenance, removal of unwanted dragon fruit flower buds, removal of dragon fruit unwanted growths, and we will apply fertilizers. I will also later talk about the different varieties of dragon fruits that I grow.
In my dreams one night, Saint Peter, Jesus' closest disciples, told me that the tiny air pockets in soil provide the oxygen necessary for root respiration. In his voice, he said,
"While the leaves and stems of a plant perform photosynthesis, all living plant cells, including those in the roots, need oxygen for a process called aerobic respiration."
Saint Peter was a fisherman. The Bible does not contain any verse stating that Saint Peter was a gardener. His profession before Jesus called him to be an apostle was a fisherman. And so, I asked Saint Peter, "I thought you were a fisherman, and not a gardener nor a farmer." And Saint Peter answered,
"Did the rooster crow 3 times? I am not a gardener, but you are. So, I am telling you what is best for you. Give them compost and your plants will do well. Don't sin, and when it is time, I will let you in."
Some things in life you just can't mend, like a busted watch or a stubborn friend. You can pray, you can beg, you can even plead, but stubborn don't listen and dumb don't read. They'll climb that fence, they'll touch that wire, they'll fan the flames of their own fire. Yeah, you can patch a road, mend a heart that's ripped, but you can't fix stupid, it's factory equipped. Saw a lady at the zoo tossing fries at a bear. Then she wondered why folks started to stare. Read the sign said, "Do not feed," but she said, "That don't apply to me." You can write it big, you can write it small, but you can't save them if they can't read it all. You can't fix stupid, it's hardwired in, like trying to make a rooster not crow again. You can send them to school, you can send them to Mars, but they'll still try to barbecue inside their cars. They'll chase a dream.
Fertilizers provide plants with essential macronutrients like nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K, which are vital for various growth processes such as root, leaf, flower, and fruit development. By replenishing nutrients in the soil, fertilizers help plants grow stronger, faster, and produce higher yields of flowers and food. However, applying too much fertilizer can harm plants by burning roots and can also harm the environment.
Let's make it quick before I grow mold. Come on, son.
Hurry up, I'm old. I stand in a line, and my soul starts to age. By the time I get served, I've forgotten my own name. The waiter asked, will that be all? And I said, son, just bring me the check before I'm totally done. Hurry up, I'm old, got meds to take soon, and I schedule my naps between breakfast and noon. You're scrolling for snacks, I'm ready to eat. Get moving or I'll pass out right here on my seat.
Dragon fruit plants have been very productive since spring, but after 6 months of heavy flowering and fruiting with only daily watering, they are in need of a nutritional boost. To replenish the depleted soil resources, I am using Miracle Grow Pour and Feed Singles for a fast-acting dose of plant food. The product calls for 1 packet per gallon of water, so for my 4 plants, I will mix 2 gallons of the solution to give each one a half-gallon feeding. But before that, I give 1 liter of composted chicken manure to each plant to enhance the soil structure. Long-term benefit: improving its structure, increasing organic matter, and releasing a steady supply of nutrients. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, which offer a quick nutrient boost, composted manure contributes to the soil's overall sustainability and resilience for years. I am watering the pot with the premix Miracle Grow to help the composted manure settle. Gardening has no finish line. It is a continuous cycle of maintenance. To ensure fruit quality and plant health, I regularly prune extra branches from my dragon fruit and grape plants. This practice improves air circulation and sunlight exposure for the fruiting stems. And the saying goes, no sun, no fruit. Specifically, I limit dragon fruits to 3 fruiting stems and grapes to a maximum of 8 fruiting canes, removing all other growth. Again, only 3 fruiting stems for the dragon fruits, and if one is broken, that's the only time I grow a replacement. I also remove all extra flower buds. In this case here, I keep maximum 3 on each stem. So, I'm keeping 3 here, 1 there and 2 on the 3rd stem since the rest naturally cancelled themselves. And this is the maintenance that I will be doing to all the dragon fruit plants and grapevines this fall. This maintenance will last until early February next year. I will use calcium nitrate at the end of February to all my plants and grapevines when it's rainy season. Calcium nitrate dissolves easy with rainwater. Calcium nitrate fertilizer offers high nutrient availability, supplying plants with readily absorbed nitrate nitrogen and highly mobile calcium, which is crucial for cell wall strength, structural integrity, and preventing deficiencies like root rot. This compound's 2 essential nutrients, nitrogen and calcium, will be quickly taken up by plants and are vital for healthy leaf growth, root development, and overall plant resilience to diseases. In early spring like mid-March, I will be giving triple 14 fertilizer to all my dragon fruits, grapevines, and fruit trees. This is the common fertilizer farmers in the Philippines commonly use that they call Trio 14. It provides sustained, long-term plant nutrition for up to 4 months, reducing application frequency and labor costs. Its resin-coated granules release essential NPK nutrients steadily, promoting balanced growth for flowering plants, foliage, and vegetables by fostering strong roots, lush leaves, and vibrant blooms. This general-purpose, high-nutrient fertilizer is safe, predictable, and effective for various applications including greenhouses, container gardens, and landscapes. Triple phosphate. This is a very powerful fertilizer to make a plant flower when they refuse to do so. I will only give this if the plant is already matured enough to flower but refusing to flower. Usually, the Osmocote or triple 14 fertilizer can do the job to make the dragon fruit, grapevines, and fruit trees to flower, so usually, that will be all that you need, usually. Here is a list of dragon fruit self-fertile varieties, the ones that can pollinate themselves and others. I am pollinating dragon fruit's flowers. Good evening. Today Saturday, August 2, 2025. I'm just using my fingers to pick up some pollen so I can rub them into the stigma of the flower. The pollen in this bag originated from a different variety. This is a manual transfer of pollens from one flower to the stigma of another, known as hand or cross-pollination. This cross-pollination method may result in larger fruits and increase the success rate of fruit production. I am also collecting pollens from this variety using a vacuum for cross-pollination with other varieties. I will be showing you the brand, cost, and source of the mini vacuum that I am using. Stick with me. I use this, but there are other brands. Cost is $19, online. Please always remember to be always careful when working in your yard, for you and everyone around. Thank you for watching.